Most people get this wrong when they hear about side hustle features inside money apps. They assume it is a guaranteed income button. But here's the truth no one tells you. These features are tools, not income machines. In this video, we are breaking down the Dave app side hustle feature in 2026, how it actually works, and whether it is really worth your time, or just hype. Let's start with the basics. Dave is mainly known for cash advances and budgeting tools, but its side hustle feature is designed to connect users with short-term earning opportunities. These are usually task-based or gig-style opportunities rather than full-time jobs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Think of someone like Alex who opens the app expecting instant money. He might see opportunities like surveys, small gigs, or partner tasks, but the availability depends heavily on location, profile, and demand. So the real question is not just what it is, but whether it is worth it. Let's break it down. First, ease of access. The biggest advantage is convenience. You do not need interviews or applications. You just tap and start. That makes it attractive for beginners. Second, earning potential. But here's the problem most users don't realize. The payouts are usually small. This is not a high-income side hustle platform. It is more like micro-task earning. For example, Jake might complete a few tasks and earn small amounts quickly, but it will not replace a job or even consistent freelance work. Now let's talk about consistency. The availability of tasks is not stable. Some days you may see opportunities, other days you may see nothing. That unpredictability is one of the biggest limitations. But here's where it gets more practical. The feature is most useful for people who want quick, low-effort extra cash between paychecks. It is not designed for scaling income. So is it worth it? It depends on your goal. If you want fast, small earnings with no setup, then yes, it can be useful. If you want long-term income growth, then no, it should not be your main focus. Now let's put it all together. The Dave app side hustle feature in 2026 is simple, accessible, and beginner-friendly. But it is also limited, inconsistent, and low-paying compared to real side hustles like freelancing or remote work. To summarize, it is worth using for small extra cash, but not worth relying on for serious income. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear explanations of money apps and side hustles.